Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by listing themes, hobbies, adjectives, and favorite characters you want to include. Brainstorm at least 20 name parts, mixing nouns, verbs, numbers, and symbols for variety. Aim for 8 to 12 characters for readability, or 3 to 16 depending on platform limits. Combine parts to make 50 potential Gamertags, testing rhythm and pronunciation allowed. Check pronunciation to ensure clarity across voice chat and streaming environments. Prioritize short names with strong consonant sounds for memorability under network lag. Save your favorites and mark unusable ones to refine choices efficiently. Verify availability across major platforms before committing to any single name choice. Search console stores, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, and social handles using exact spellings. Use slight modifiers like underscores, numbers, or one vowel swap when names are taken. Avoid trendy year tags like 2025 and long numeric strings that reduce memorability. Check for unwanted meanings or trademark conflicts by scanning web results quickly. Reserve matching social handles and a matching domain if you plan to build a brand. Lock in the name on free platforms immediately to prevent squatters from claiming it. Refine your chosen Gamertag by testing it in voice chat and with friends privately. Ask 3 to 5 friends for honest reactions to pronunciation and tone. Ensure the name aligns with the image you want, casual, competitive, or humorous. Create simple logo ideas and color schemes, maintaining readability at small sizes. Avoid offensive words, copyrighted names, and confusing punctuation that breaks searchability. If desired, register trademark or domain once you reach consistent platform use. Finally, commit and use the Gamertag consistently to build recognition over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.